How to share videos on demand and archive your event. I am your AI avatar, ready to showcase the key features and functionalities of myOnvent. In this video tutorial, you will be introduced to the following myOnvent features: Content on demand, an event archive. Videos on demand can be accessible for your participants at any time after your event has ended, and it can be found in the auditorium. Participants can click on the video to review it. It will open the same video which was played during your event, as well as a dedicated video wall. Resources. Polls. If they were added for the dedicated time slot, it allows visitors to review the video content and have access to other information shared during the event. It can be also useful to add video content from your previous events. This takes place in the archive, which you can populate from the Archive tab of your Organizer dashboard. Start by heading to your Archive tab in the Organizer dashboard and adding an event, including its name and the date it took place. After, press Add Video, and you'll need to enter a title and the URL for each of the videos that you'd like to feature in this Archive tab. Once you have added a video, you can add speakers and hashtags. Participants in your current event will access these videos in the Archive tab of their user menu, as soon as you've added a video. If you have a new upcoming event and would like to add a new date for the program and keep already registered users, Archive Event functionality comes in handy. It allows you to organize a new event while keeping the content from the previous event available in the Archive section. Note, your event statistics will be reset, so make sure to save it in advance. To archive your current event and set up a new one, go to Setup and Event Management. Here, click on Archive to add the new date for your upcoming event. After archiving your event, the event's videos will be transferred from the auditorium to the archive, and video wall records, resources, and polls will be saved and visible if a participant heads over into the archive area. The program will be cleared out, so you'll need to set a new program on the dates you've specified. The new event will keep the same URL, so you should be careful not to change the event's name. Moving on with the settings in Event Management, you then have the option to reset booth statistics. Keep in mind to save the existing statistics first, since there is no option to recover it after the reset. Thank you for your attention. We hope this tutorial has empowered you to create engaging and memorable events. We invite you to check out our further video tutorials or in-depth PDF documentation. For any further questions, please get in touch with us via email at contact@myonvent.com.